So welcome back to the channel here with an update on Polygon Matic, one of the key layer 1 alts that I am interested in during the bear market. It's having a bit of a huge rally today. Things seemingly coming in threes, so 3 news stories breaking over the last 48 hours, adding fuel to the fire for this pump. And by no means, this is not a, go and buy Matic right now. You don't want to be buying this kind of pump in a bear market rally. But if you are in profits now, maybe a key area to start taking some profits from. Looking pretty good here for this 25% move on the daily. Market cap still around $4 billion. So Polygon Matic, a key Ethereum L1 alternative. People also call it a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, and that's kind of what they brand themselves as. As you can see from the chart down there, a nice rally. So here we are with news piece number 1. This is their NFT collaboration with Bentley. So one of the most notorious luxury car brands in the world, utilizing Polygon Matic for NFTs. There's going to be an NFT drop here. So this is news piece number 1, Bentley to launch exclusive sustainable NFT. And this is quite interesting to see due to the fact ESG requirements, big companies, especially car manufacturers, they're all having to go electric at some point. They want to position themselves with a kind of good brand behind them, looking towards the future. They want to be sustainable. They want to talk about those, ESG points being ticked off. So what they're going to do, they're going to launch their NFTs on the kind of blockchains that are known for sustainability. And Polygon, with low transaction fees, being proof of stake, and one of the upcoming news pieces on this video, is certainly making strides towards that. So Bentley opts for carbon neutral Polygon network due to sustainable focus and engaging the community. So this is their first step into Web3 here, and they are announcing the release of 208 NFTs. This has some key brand significance. It's the top speed of the Continental GT, 208 miles per hour, and also they had a 208 car production run of their iconic R-Type Continental of 1952. So the designs of this NFT are done in-house by the actual Bentley design team. No actual scope as to what these are going to give to you, but it's interesting to see how these big brands are actually positioning themselves with various crypto blockchains. And as it says here, Bentley are keen to be carbon neutral by the year 2030, and they will have all EV cars by this point in time. Ryan Wyatt, CEO of Polygon Studios, said they're very excited to expand their partnership in the automobile industry by working with the most prestigious brands in its sector. So this is a step into Web3 for Bentley, and they're having their handheld here by Polygon due to their carbon neutrality. Owners of these Bentley NFTs will be treated to exclusive community opportunities, rewards, and unique utilities to be announced soon. So no definitive, yes, you can drive one of our Bentleys over the weekend for holding the NFT. I'm sure a lot of people would be interested in that, but there's going to be some key benefits. So we'll see what this may have in store. But how are they carbon neutral? Well, this is a new partnership that they've just announced here with ClimateDAO. So Polygon has completed the first step in its long-term commitment to sustainability by becoming carbon neutral. So since its implementation in 2019, they've calculated how much carbon they would have emitted via their blockchain. And what they've done is essentially bought back those carbon credits via ClimateDAO, and they took those carbon credits and locked them up forever. So the blockchain startup has retired $400,000 worth of carbon credits, equivalent to the Matic network's entire carbon debt since its inception in 2019, and it's been pushing towards a 50-cent price point, which it's at just about now. This 400K equates to over 104,000 tons of greenhouse gases emitted, and now they've come back, locked that up, put their money where their mouth is, and those carbon credits have been retired. So Polygon co-founder Sandeep Narwal is taking the initiative to help the blockchain industry become a net positive for the environment. And maybe this all lines up here for news piece number 3, which is the admission of Polygon's ETP onto CoinShares. So CoinShares, one of the big institutional investment arms in crypto. We've seen a lot of outflows from CoinShares recently, but they've just added the Matic token to their ETP. So the world's first physically backed exchange traded product, providing exposure to the Polygon network native asset Matic. There will be a 0% management fee on this one, and there will be staking rewards included. So for all the money that flows into this, they will have an underlying amount of the Matic token. So this is very similar to having a spot position in Matic, and investors will get up to a 5% per annum staking reward. So that's not the full staking reward of holding Matic. I think you can get around 10 to 12% if you were to solo stake or join a pool, but nonetheless, this is still a very nice product offering. And this is just 3 pieces all lining up over the last 48 hours, having a bit of a trifecta together and all helping with this price pump that is now ongoing. So those 3 key pieces of information have led to this nice reversal here for the Matic token. If we just measure this off the actual Pico local bottom of 31.6 cents, it's currently trading up at around 60% higher from those lows. So as you can notice from this as well, this is pretty much where the bottom of this wick on May the 12th was. And so I think there's going to be a lot of profit taken around here. If we do get a continuation in stocks and thus the crypto market, maybe towards some of the bottoms around here, 57 to 60 cents would probably be as high as we're going to see this one go in the short term. But very interesting to see the fundamentals and the technicals lining up here with some bullish momentum for the Matic token. If you enjoyed this quick update, subscribe to the channel and we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.